Today we're diving into the top trending open source GitHub projects this week. Part 1. We'll explore innovative tools like Project Airi, your interactive AI companion built with modern web technologies, Sim for visual drag-and-drop AI agent workflows, and Zero, the privacy-first, AI-enhanced email alternative. Get ready to discover AI elements for stunning AI UIs, Firecrawl for AI-ready web data, and rendergit to effortlessly browse GitHub repos. These projects offer incredible flexibility and cutting-edge features for developers and tech enthusiasts alike.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Project Airi, a cyber living companion you own. Chat, play, and exist with AI. Project Airi isn't just another AI character, it's a living web-ready virtual companion, built to blur the line between fantasy and reality. What makes Airi truly unique is how it blends real-time interaction, gameplay, and digital companionship, all inside your browser or native app, so you can bring a cyber waifu, digital pet, or AI buddy into your world whenever you want. From day one, Airi was designed with modern web technologies like WebGPU, Web Audio, WebAssembly, Web Workers, and WebSocket. That means even in your browser or on mobile devices, it renders beautifully and runs smoothly while still giving you the option to use more powerful native features like NVIDIA CUDA or Apple Metal for better performance when needed. What's more, Airi goes beyond just chatting. It plays games like Minecraft and Factorio, talks in real time via voice chat, and syncs with platforms like Discord and Telegram. It remembers things too, storing context in an embedded in-browser database, so your companion feels more alive and aware. It combines expressive visuals, like VRM or live 2D models that blink, look around, and move, with advanced AI. Whether you're streaming, coding, or gaming, Airi feels immersed in your world. Plus, the whole ecosystem is open source, inviting artists, developers, and creators to build extensions, add features, or simply shape its personality, and even play alongside you. In essence, Airi stands out because it isn't just a chatbot or avatar. It's an evolving, interactive digital companion that feels alive. It's open, customizable, expressive, and can be at your side in a browser, on your desktop, or on mobile. If the idea of owning your own AI companion with voice, memory, gaming skills, and personality appeals to you, Airi brings that dream to life. Let yourself connect, play, and explore. Your cyber friend awaits. Project number 2, Sim, a drag-and-drop canvas for building AI agent workflows. Sim turns what could be a tangled mess of AI models, tools, and logic into a clean visual experience. It's not just about wiring up components behind the scenes. Everything you see on the canvas reflects exactly what's running under the hood. You assemble your agents by dragging blocks that represent models, system prompts, tools, and integrations. It's all laid out like puzzle pieces, so you're crafting the workflow with both clarity and control, no hidden abstraction layers. What really makes Sim stand out is how rapidly you can iterate. Built-in observability means you get trace spans, logs, and performance feedback directly in the interface. That feedback loop helps you tweak and improve with precision, helping you go from idea to optimized agent far faster than text-only frameworks. Another powerful aspect is Sim's openness and flexibility. It's open source under Apache 2.0 and plays nicely with both cloud-hosted and local models, like Ollama for running AI locally. That means you can experiment freely, extend the system, or even host it entirely on your own terms. Users have already built everything from fraud detection research tools to internal HR chatbots and manufacturing automation workflows, all without wrestling with code-heavy setups. A developer remarked that while code-first frameworks like LangGraph or N8N felt powerful, Sim hits a sweet spot. It's visual, fast, and still deep enough to support complex multi-step agent logic. In short, Sim lets you design AI agents like you'd sketch out a flowchart, then instantly run it. It blends simplicity with depth and packs insights directly into your workflow. That powerful combination, see what you build clarity, instant feedback, and extensibility, makes it genuinely unique. Project number 3, Zero, the AI-powered, privacy-first email alternative. Zero is all about giving you control, a modern open-source email experience built for privacy, flexibility, and intelligence. Unlike many email services that are closed-source or collect heaps of your data, Zero lets you self-host your email client and retain full ownership of your data. It puts privacy first, never tracking or selling your information, ensuring your communications remain yours alone. What makes Zero truly stand out is its AI-enhanced capabilities. It doesn't just display messages, it elevates them with smart features like AI agents, summaries, and enhanced inbox management. Your email becomes more manageable and intuitive, allowing you to handle high volumes of mail with ease. Another highlight is how Zero brings it all together, a unified inbox that supports integration with Gmail, Outlook, and other providers, while preserving your autonomy over everything. You get to choose your UI. The interface is customizable to fit your workflow, and for developers, it's a dream with built-in extensibility and integration options. All of this is wrapped in a transparent, community-driven project. It's open source, powered by a growing ecosystem, and backed by contributors pushing for better, safer email. To sum it up, Zero reimagines email as a private, customizable, self-hosted, and AI-enhanced experience. It's not just email, it's your email. Smarter and safer. Project number 4, AI Elements. Fast, fancy AI UI components that plug right into Vercel's AI SDK. AI Elements transforms how front-end creators build AI-native applications by supplying a set of polished, reusable user interface building blocks that focus on the essence of AI interaction without reinventing the wheel. What makes it stand out is its blend of design elegance and developer practicality. It's built atop the popular Shadcn ZI framework, delivering highly customizable components like chat threads, reasoning panels, message inputs, code block views, and even inline citations, all crafted specifically for AI interactions. Unlike general UI libraries, AI Elements is tailored to the flow of AI experiences. Think seamless conversation interfaces, structured response displays, and thoughtful reasoning layouts. This means you don't just get generic buttons or text fields. Every component anticipates how users and AI will interact. Installation is smooth too. A simple CLI setup lets you pick exactly the pieces you need and drop them into a Next.js project, fully integrated with Tailwind CSS for styling consistency. Its strength also lies in its modularity and extensibility. Each UI primitive, from messages to tool usage displays to task trackers, is isolated and customizable, so you can craft interfaces that feel unique, on-brand, and intuitive. This lets creators move much faster from concept to launch, focusing on experience instead of wrestling with boilerplate UI code. Feedback from the developer community echoes this enthusiasm. One Reddit post praised the library as beautifully designed React components that are both easy to integrate and fully adaptable. AI Elements finds its place within Vercel's broader AI toolkit, pairing gracefully with the AI SDK, the toolkit handling state, streaming, and model integration, while AI Elements handles the front-end side elegantly. Together, they enable developers to ship AI-powered interfaces quickly, reliably, and with visual polish. At its core, AI Elements shines by offering thoughtfully designed, AI-focused UI modules that scale beautifully. By combining aesthetic consistency with deployment-ready flexibility, it helps creators forge ahead rapidly without compromising on user experience or expressive design. Project number 5, Claudia, a beautiful GUI toolkit for managing Claude code easily. Claudia brings clarity, control, and real pleasure to working with Claude code by turning the command line chaos into a polished desktop experience. It gives you a clean, visual interface to browse all your Claude Code projects and past sessions, complete with session metadata like timestamps and first messages, so you can pick up exactly where you left off without digging through endless terminal logs. One of the standout features is its power to create custom agents with unique personalities and purposes. You can tailor system prompts, build a library of reusable agents, and even run them in the background safely without blocking your main workflow. To help manage complexity, Claudia also includes a real-time usage dashboard, track API costs, token usage, and trends visually across your models and projects, so surprises on your bill become a thing of the past. A real breakthrough is its timeline and checkpoint feature. Think version control for your AI chats. Create checkpoints, explore a branching visual timeline of your session, roll back at will, fork off to experiment, and even compare what changed with a built-in diff viewer. That alone elevates it from a tool into a true project companion. Claudia doesn't stop there. It helps manage Model Context Protocol MCP servers through a user-friendly registry UI, complete with import, configuration, and connectivity testing. No manual config edits needed. Markdown lovers will also appreciate the built-in Claudia.mb editor with live preview and syntax highlighting, so your project notes and documentation stay visible and editable within context. Security-wise, Claudia plays it smart. Agents run in sandbox processes. File and network access is strictly permissioned. All your data stays local, and there's zero telemetry. All in all, what makes Claudia unique is how it transforms Claudia code into a visually organized, agent-ready, secure command center, with agents, analytics, versioning, documentation, and server management all in one graceful package. If you want productivity without the terminal headaches, this tool is a game changer. Project number 6, Firecrawl, the web data API that turns any site into AI-ready content. Firecrawl transforms the way you gather web data. It's not just another scraper, it's a powerful, intelligent layer between AI tools and the chaotic internet. What makes Firecrawl truly unique is its ability to automatically crawl websites, handle complex dynamic content, and deliver clean, structured output like Markdown, JSON, screenshots, even metadata, without requiring a sitemap or manual parsing. It hands you content that's ready for AI models to consume directly. Under the hood, Firecrawl handles all the headaches: proxy rotation, anti-bot measures, caching, JavaScript rendering, smart waits for dynamic elements, and mimicking real user behavior to avoid blocks and ensure reliability. It's built for speed too, delivering results in under a second, which is perfect for powering real-time agents or dynamic apps. What makes it even more compelling is how well it plays with AI ecosystems. It integrates out of the box with frameworks like LangChain, Llama Index, Krubo AI, and low-code platforms like Diffy or Flowase, meaning you can plug it directly into your AI workflows without reinventing the wheel. That's not just convenience, it's a gateway to building smarter, faster AI apps. Real-world use cases highlight its reliability. Zapier uses it to let chatbots ingest websites and answer FAQs automatically. Replit leverages it to process documentation, and hedge funds tap it for real-time market research, all because Firecrawl delivers clean, usable web data at scale. To sum it up, what makes Firecrawl stand out is its fusion of AI-friendly output, robust scraping infrastructure, and seamless integration with modern AI workflows. It removes tedious engineering, so creators and developers can focus on building smart AI tools, not wrestling with messy web pages. This tool elevates your data ingestion game, giving you organized, trustworthy, and instantly usable web content ready for your AI to act on. Project number 7, rendergit. Flatten any GitHub repo into one easy-to-browse page. rendergit makes exploring complex repositories effortless by collapsing everything into a single static HTML page that's both readable and navigable. Instead of hunting through nested folders and dozens of click-throughs, it presents the entire repository at a glance, complete with syntax highlighting, markdown previews, and a sidebar showing all files and their sizes. What truly sets it apart is the dual-mode view. On one hand, there's a polished human view that's visually clean and intuitive. On the other, a stripped-down LLM view shows the full repository as plain CXML text, perfect for copying into language models like ChatGPT or Claude for AI-powered analysis. Whether you're skimming code for a quick scan or feeding everything into an AI for deeper insights, rendergit supports both workflows seamlessly. Another standout is the Control-F-ready experience. Because it's all in one page, searching across an entire repo is instant. No loading individual files, no lag, just instant search across the full codebase. This alone is a game changer for efficiency. It's designed with smarts. It highlights syntax using pigments, renders markdown cleanly, filters out bulky or irrelevant files like binaries, and provides a directory tree overview for orientation. And it even works well on mobile. rendergit was born from one person's frustration with navigating repositories, and it shows. It's straightforward, speedy, and intuitive. No installations or complex setups, just render your repo and dive in. For anyone who reads or reviews code, works with LLMs, or simply hates browsing folder after folder, this tool turns chaos into clarity. Project number 8, Osprey. Open source browser protection. Osprey shines because it's a privacy-first shield that runs right in your browser, no remote servers or accounts required. What makes it truly unique is its commitment to trust. It actively protects you from malicious, phishing, and untrustworthy websites, while keeping your data completely private. It does this by running entirely on your device, offline or online, with zero telemetry and no back-end analytics, so none of your browsing gets tracked, stored, or profiled. That level of transparency is rare among free security tools. Beyond its privacy guarantees, Osprey delivers powerful protection from multiple trusted providers, like AdGuard, Quad9, Clean Browsing, and Cloudflare, right out of the box. It supports advanced filtering for threats such as malware, phishing, and even adult content, and lets you customize which providers are active based on your needs and preferences. You see a warning if a site is blocked, with options to go back, ignore, or report, giving you control rather than frustration. Another standout is that Osprey is truly open source and non-commercial. It doesn't monetize your usage or display ads, and it holds itself to strong privacy ethics, fully GDPR compliant and transparent about how it works. Its mission is about providing free, trusted protection for everyone, from experienced IT teams to everyday users, without sacrificing security or privacy. In essence, Osprey is unique because it brings together strong, real-time protection using multiple threat intelligence sources, local processing, so your browsing stays private, clear user control, and a strict no data collection promise. It's a rare combination, a powerful, trustworthy, and user-first security extension that respects your privacy while doing its job effectively. That's why Osprey deserves a spotlight. It elevates browsing safety by being open, honest, and robust. Project number 9, Athas. A clean, lightning-fast editor, built for focus and flow. Athas stands out because it delivers a minimal, distraction-free coding environment that feels both sleek and powerful. It's not cluttered with bells and whistles. It's built for developers who want to stay in the zone and just write code. It opens instantly, responds instantly, and gets you into flow within seconds. That speed and simplicity are its real strengths. What really sets Athas apart is its seamless cross-platform availability. Whether you're on macOS, Apple Silicon, or Intel, Windows, or Linux, Athas delivers a native experience tailored for your system, no compromises, no slow web wrappers. It's quick, lightweight, and streamlined for pick-up-and-go work. Athas also embraces customization gracefully. You can tweak themes, fonts, and other visual elements to match your mood or focus needs without ever feeling overwhelmed. This personalization lets you make your editor yours, not someone else's. Another forward-looking feature is full Vim mode support. It brings modal editing, which is beloved by power users, right into this lightweight package, giving you advanced control without extra bloat. Despite being lightweight, Athas has a growing vision. Its roadmap includes ambitious features like real-time collaboration and pair programming capabilities. While these are still in development, it's exciting to see such potential coming from a project that stays so focused on simplicity and speed. In short, Athas is unique because it combines blazing performance, strong cross-platform support, flexible customization, and advanced editing features, all wrapped in a clean, minimal interface. For anyone who dreams of a desktop editor that feels built just for them, fast, lightweight, and extensible, Athas delivers. Project number 10, AWS MCP Servers. Seamlessly empowering AI assistants with live AWS context. AWS MCP servers are unique because they bring real-time, expert-level AWS knowledge directly into AI-powered tools by using the Model Context Protocol. Instead of working from outdated or incomplete memory, the AI assistant taps into live AWS documentation, APIs, and best practices, dramatically reducing hallucinations and boosting accuracy. Whether you're writing configuration code, exploring infrastructure options, or seeking architectural guidance, the AI's recommendations are rooted in the most current AWS reality. One standout feature is the Cloud Control API MCP server. It transforms simply phrased requests into real AWS infrastructure actions, covering anything from listing to creating resources across 1,200 plus AWS services. The magic lies in its ability to translate natural language into well-informed actions, suggest infrastructure as code templates, and even offer cost estimates using AWS's pricing API, all while applying security best practices automatically. This removes complexity, accelerates workflows, and makes cloud development more accessible, especially for teams or newcomers worried about mastering intricate details. Developers working with serverless applications get another layer of innovation. The AWS Serverless MCP Server walks users through planning, building, testing, deploying, and troubleshooting, guided step-by-step with contextually relevant support. It helps with choosing runtimes, setting up event mappings, deploying via AWS SAM or similar tooling, and even aids with observability and deployment debugging. Best part, it starts in read-only mode for safety, and permissions only expand if you explicitly enable them. What's exceptional across all these capabilities is the standardized client-server architecture. Your favorite IDE or AI assistant like Cursor, Claude Desktop, or Amazon Q Developer becomes a powerful AWS-savvy partner, no manual documentation lookups required. AWS MCP servers effectively fuse live cloud context with AI intelligence, making cloud development more intuitive, reliable, and secure. And that wraps up our look at these incredible open-source projects. From the cross-platform speed and focus of the Athas editor to the secure, privacy-first browser protection of Osprey and the powerful Claude code management with Claudia, these tools showcase the best of community-driven innovation. Don't forget AWS MCP Servers for integrating live AWS context directly into your AI assistants. Open source continues to empower us all, offering transparency, customization, and groundbreaking solutions. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know which project you're most excited about in the comments.